So guys, my brother complained that his sunroof didn't work and his rear view mirror. And I looked at the diagram and both of them used fuse 20, which was number 1 fuse in here. There was no fuse. Put a fuse in, mirror works, and now his sunroof kind of works. Just doesn't move anywhere, and I noticed the screws in there are loose. But somebody siliconed the sunroof shut. So get your knife. Bet you they didn't know how to adjust it right, because those screws are loose. They're loose on both sides.
That might be good enough that it'll break now. Here.
If we leave the silicone there,
It'll make a seal. Here.
hold on, we gotta get this back all off.
I'm gonna hit it and see if it just breaks it. What's the worst that's gonna happen?
Twist the sunroof when we can probably fix it.
They glued it shut.
Come on, we're doing this for views. Well, here, do your side. Don't push down too hard.
I'm not, it just went right through. There's no seal back here.
No, the sunroof is down. See? They never adjusted it right. The whole sunroof has to be lifted up. You're lucky I'm an expert on sunroofs.
See, it just pokes
Except
right
I've never
through.
done an electric one. All mine's manually closed. Look at that, it opened! Oh man, it's like a new car. We can see you.
Until it rains.
Are you telling me that was the whole problem? They didn't know how to adjust the screws. Quick, get out your Torx bit. I broke all mine.
I don't have any with me.
It's gonna rain.
Just see what that was.
It's gonna rain.
Yeah, then we'll find out if it leaks.
Oh, it's gonna leak. This is way down too low. Look, there's a hole here.
Yeah, I know. When I went through, it kind of just poked through right here. That's where the drain is.
Okay, open the sunroof, clean this edge up, and we'll lift the sunroof up. We need some silicone dissolving.
Clean what edge? Up the front edge?
No, this.
Oh.
You think a scuff pad will take?
In the car.
You think a scuff pad will take that all off?
It's gonna clog my fucking drain.
No, we're gonna blow the drains out real quick.
Rob, I literally have 5 minutes.
Yeah, you said that 10 minutes ago.
It's 1:15. Like I have to be at their house at 1:40.
So guys, we cleaned the drains and we reset the sunroof. Seems to be working now. Look at that. Still low in the back for some reason.
Right in the middle. I think it'll be alright.
We should have probably left it up where I had it.
Because now it's sitting lower.
Yeah. So guys, now it works. It just sticks on the silicone. Because now if you smack this roof, it'll pop back up. There you go, now you just need to smack it every time you close it. Put a note up there saying smack the sunroof when we close it, when closing. But look at that. It's like perfect. Hope you guys like it. See you later.